Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef tortilla wraps. First, gather all your ingredients and cooking tools. This includes your beef, vegetables, tortillas, and seasonings. Next, slice your beef into thin, uniform strips, about 1/4 of an inch thick for quick and even cooking. Then, chop your fresh vegetables, such as onions and bell peppers, into small, manageable pieces. Finally, have your tortillas ready for assembly. Now let's cook the beef. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, adding a tablespoon of oil if needed. Add your thinly sliced beef strips and brown them thoroughly until they are cooked through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir frequently to ensure even cooking. Once browned, add your preferred seasonings, like chili powder or cumin, for a delicious flavor. Remember to drain any excess liquid from the pan to prevent soggy wraps. With the beef cooked, it's time for the vegetables. In the same skillet or a separate one, sauté your chopped onions and bell peppers until they are tender crisp, typically taking about 3 to 5 minutes. Once done, combine the cooked beef and vegetables, mixing them well to distribute the flavors evenly. Next, warm your tortillas for about 15 to 20 seconds each, making them more pliable. Finally, spoon a generous amount of filling onto the center of each warm tortilla. Now for the final steps. To assemble your wrap, fold in the two opposite sides of the tortilla, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. This technique helps keep all the delicious filling inside. Once rolled, you can add your favorite toppings such as shredded cheese, fresh salsa, or a dollop of sour cream. Serve your beef tortilla wraps immediately while they are warm and fresh. Enjoy your flavorful, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.